Hi, Gwen. I think you got your answer from Shannon already regarding the May 25th Eastern Oregonian newspaper, but I like creating little tutorials for people to walk them through some of our resources in case you want access in the future. So to get to the Eastern Oregonian, of course, you can just Google Eastern Oregonian, but sometimes I suggest going through our library website, which, as you know from a college homepage, you just click on library, and here you are. And we're going to go down to our library databases, and we're going to click on newspapers. And, these aren't in a particular order. I have the Eastern Oregonian right on top, though. The reason I suggest going through the library databases or through our library page is we have an online subscription that I think a lot of people forget about. And the reason I have you go through here is because the screen name and password is right here. And the Eastern Oregonian's okay with us sharing that. So there you are. To then get to the Eastern Oregonian, for a lot of the articles you don't really need to necessarily, especially the type of article, it's a days gone by type of article. You probably won't need to log in, but often folks find themselves trying to get to an article and they're prompted for a login too, because you have free access to this. The Eastern Oregonian, which you may have experienced, does not have the best searching capacity. I'll show you what I often do, depending on how much information I have. So you have great information, which is the exact date. It doesn't get much easier than that. So in this case, we could probably type in some search terms like auto show, BMCC, something like that. BMCC I find often is under either BMCC, Blue Mountain Community College, Longwise, or Timberwolves. Especially if you're looking for sports, Timberwolves comes up. But let's type in BMCC. Because since you have the date, one of the best filters I've found is actually, one of the best features I've found is, something better, business structure too, is going down here by date. And these are in order from the oldest to the newest. So we can go through to May. There's only 24. I don't think that's too many to search through, but that's just me. I'm guessing this is in the days gone by category. So in this case, May 25th. Oh, okay, there's a Bob Goss who was talking about some car wash and safety check. I'm hoping that's what you needed. As Shannon said, she has a copy of the newspaper. We do here in the library as well. But I do just like to show people, like, hey, here's how you go. Here's how to do some things when I get the opportunity. You never know when you might need it. So, of course, you can always call me. You don't need to remember this, but you can always call me. Okay, thanks, Gwen. I hope that's helpful. And let me know if you need anything to get that paper to you. Okay, take care.